So many beautiful rocks. Hey everybody, it's Kate from KatyDid. So people are always curious about what's inside all these crazy rocks that I pick up, and so I am taking some time to do some slabbing and to show you some of the special things that I've found. I hope you like it. It's time for what's inside. Come along. Huh. I think this is actually a pretty nice agate that possibly somebody discarded. It's got, oh my gosh, look at that. It's got these beautiful swoopy swirly things all the way across. Oh yes, that is so sweet. I am so happy. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Look at what you did. You found something beautiful. Oh man, that's so pretty. Oh, my backpack is getting so full. And look at this huge, huge chunk of agatized wood. Just look at it. It's enormous. Huge. And it has to go in my backpack. Oh my gosh, this looks like a huge, huge chunk of petrified wood. Like, okay, not huge like a stump or anything like that, but it certainly is big. Let's take a look and see what it looks like in the water. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Oh man. So we're walking back up to the car and I am definitely have my head down because this backpack is really heavy. And look at that. I know you can't see it right now, but if you take a look at the darkness here, there's a ton of inclusions in there that's going to be really beautiful to slice. I'm excited. This is an odd one. It has these layers of speckles on the outside. They don't really look like they go all the way through. It has some agate texture, and it seems to be fairly hard. I think the only solution is to take it home, cut it open, see what it is. Looks kind of red to be an, ooh, I think this might be jasperized wood. See, it pays to check it out. Let's find out here. Oh my goodness, this one is just spectacular. So beautiful. So I sprayed this off just because of its lumpy bumpy shape, and I thought it was probably one of these lighter colored, it's like an agate but it's filled in, but instead, see if I can get that. Oh my gosh, this is so great. Oh my gosh, I just had no idea that's what it was. That is so cool. Wow, what a great way to end the day. See, just goes to show you, you never can stop looking. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. All of these things help the YouTube algorithm figure out, oh, this is worth watching. If you'd like your own treasures, check out my Etsy store. It's KatyDidRocks. The link is in the description below. And I have some of these beautiful slabs now for sale. The inside is often far more beautiful than the outside. Words to live by. This is Kate from KatyDid. Keep on doing.